This sentence completion question contains one blank. The sentence reads, before the onset of the war, demand for the precious metal had already been strong. The emergence of the aggressions blank further investment by the shareholders. We're looking for a verb which will describe how the war affected investment by the shareholders. The sentence already tells us that the demand had already been strong. Since it says had already been as opposed to that the demand for the precious metal was strong, this indicates that not only was demand high before the war, but also currently the demand for the metal is high. This means that we can eliminate any options which indicate a reduction in investment. The word withheld means that people stopped investing. They held back from investing their money, and we can therefore rule that out since that's not the meaning that we are looking for. The word terminated also means that people stopped investing, so we can rule that out as well. The sentence also uses the word further regarding investment. Further suggests that there was potentially an increase in investment after the war. We can therefore rule out any options which indicate otherwise. The word restored means that there was an increase, but that came after a decrease in investment or a drop in investment. Since our sentence says that demand was high and it remained high and it even went up a bit, and it doesn't indicate that there was any drop, so we can rule out the word restored as it does not fit the sentence. The word retained means that it was kept constant, or it was kept at the same amount. However, our sentence indicates that there was an increase, and so we can therefore rule out this option. This leaves us with the answer, encouraged. Encouraged means that people felt good about investing into the precious metal, and so that means that there was an increase, so it fits the sentence. The sentence therefore reads, before the onset of the war, demand for the precious metal had already been strong. The emergence of the aggressions encouraged further investment by the shareholders.